Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can sign up to Wix affiliate program. It's really easy, and as they say and as they refer on the website, you can make a $100 per every premium sale that you make with Wix. So this means when the person that you referred goes premium on Wix, you will get $100. So to find affiliate program, it's really easy. You need to go to wix.com and then you need to scroll all the way down until you see footer right here, this one, and on company tab you should see affiliates. All right, so press on it and then you will be redirected to another page, and as you can see here, they say make money with Wix, promote the world's leading web publishing platform, start earning now. So you can here press and apply for basically affiliate program, and as you can see here, become a Wix affiliate. Over 109 million people worldwide choose Wix to create their website. Share in our success with the Wix affiliate program, and as you can see here, that's what you get as an affiliate. So as they see on the website, so $100 plus for every conversion, make money fast. Our competitive payouts of $100 per se among the highest in the industry, and we have a variety of reliable payment options for you to choose from. So this means you drive traffic, you send people to a Wix website, other people may sign up for free, and when they convert to a premium version of Wix, you will be getting $100, right? And unlimited referrals. The sky is the limit. Drive as much traffic as you can. So this means there is no limit like in a lot of other websites, because for example in other websites they set the limit, for example 50 referrals per day, and you cannot earn more. So with this one, there is unlimited referrals, creative resources, intuitive dashboard, and much more. So how it works: sign up, apply for affiliate account, promote Wix, get paid. And if you want to sign up, so as you can see here, when you are on the main page here, wix.com about/affiliates, you just need to press start earning now button, right? And you just need to fill out generic information: your first name, last name, company name, email address, apartment, suite number, city, country, state, zip code, phone number, and other important stuff. And you will sign up as affiliate on Wix, and then you need to send traffic to a Wix landing page, and if the person goes premium that you sent to, you will be getting commission, $100 per sale. So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.